Good day, my peeps. Thank you for watching this video. It's on my YouTube channel right now, DIY Cafe, okay, for Halloween with Halloween decor. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, subscribe and share. And basically this is the preview of what I did for tonight's Halloween event. So I did that yesterday, and now the preview for the entire event. And you see my family, how we got ready in our costume, and basically how we dress up for the entire tonight event. Everything turned out very well, and I hope you guys enjoy what you're watching and continue watching. Remember, thank you guys very much for supporting. So their mother is taking pictures of them.
Smile.
That's Ari.
Ari pick up on her eyebrows something already.
Shot picture. The mother right there.
Anyway,
Anyway, I'm supposed to get ready for my cafe. Tell them, what are you?
No, use your eyes on the face. Okay, eyes.
Show them up. Show them their ear. Yes, honey. She's a mermaid. And Ari.
Ari, look like she's tired. Yeah, man.
You tired already? Ari, what are you?
A butterfly.
You're a butterfly?
Fairy. Oh, look, now your husband now. Go, we do one pic with us.
So guys, I'm about to open my cafe now, the Witches Cafe. I have customers lining up to get in because you know today is our Witches Cafe party. And so yeah, I'm about to open my cafe right now.
Come in, children.
Alright, you guys have to line up to go into the restaurant. Look at the menu board and tell us what you want to order.
Eggs. Green eggs.
Tell them what is on the menu.
I want green eggs. I want
No way really cook. That's the chef Fairy. What's your name? Fairy what?
We cook
That's Chef Fairy Rose.
fairy rolls.
That's our chef.
And we cook
And what do you guys have in the
dog
dresser?
burger,
I want
hot
some
dog burger, yes.
I want
And for dessert, and for the dessert, we have monster cookies.
Monster
Anybody want the monster cookies?
mustard.
But for now, we have all the
Pop
dog burger is finished. So we have foot soup. That's what we
I
said.
want the
We have food
popcorn.
soup right now.
I want popcorn. I want some.
And we have green eggs and ham.
All right, you guys go into the restaurant now. Go.
You want the monster cookies?
Yeah, and green eggs and the
They
popcorn.
want the monster cookies.
All right.
And the popcorn. I want some. I want
Tell me what you want.
some cotton.
All right, you guys can go take your seat. Okay, go take your seat.
All right.
We'll take the orders again since we're not going to remember.
Come in, children. Come into the restaurant. Monster children, come into the restaurant.
Ghouls.
Can we drop the table?
Yeah.
Drop the table. I need to take it closer to me.
Okay. Yeah, I'm Witch Rose and I'll be your server today.
Do you have any books?
Yeah, there's one on the table for you. Okay, as we said, we have foot soup. How much foot soup you guys want? 2 foot soup.
Maybe one for the witch.
You want a foot soup too?
Yeah, for the
Okay.
witch. One for the witch. And I want some tea.
And some tea. Alright.
I want some tea.
Right now we don't have tea, but we have blood fan juice. You want blood fan juice?
Yes, we have blood fan juice.
Blood fan juice. I'm a vampire. And I'm a mermaid. I'm a fairy
Okay,
vampire.
I'll take this off your
Which
table.
one should we give them the soup now?
I'll get everything on this soup. Let me take off your service.
Okay. Look. I'm one.
Like you're getting a glass.
Like a blood juice?
No, that's the soup.
That's the soup. Jesus. You're
Okay.
the best server I ever heard.
Thank you. And then we're going to get ready to bring out your blood fan juice, okay?
Yeah. But when the witch comes, I'm never gonna
Take your time.
Jesus. Where's this tape? I'm sticking to my legs.
Happy Halloween, everyone.
Happy Halloween.
This is Fairy Rosie.
Uh-huh.
She's the one that cooked the fruit soup.
And it's very good.
Every said it's very good. Running away all the witches.
So guys, I didn't tell you guys about guys, I didn't tell you guys about my outfit. So I'm wearing my witch's hat, as you guys can see. And my hat has on Jamaica because I'm a Jamaican witch, right? And you know, my entire witch outfit and my long witch coat. Yes, so hope you guys like my entire outfit. I know you guys saw the kids outfit.
I don't want any more soup. I just want to go to the desserts, please.
So I'm having pumpkin soup and, as you guys say, the blood fang juice. That's my view.
Are you done?
No, I don't finish it yet. Anyway, they said they want popcorn for dessert. So it's dessert time.
They
Yeah.
never told me how you were going to pay for this pizza. She called us back.
Where is it? But you guys see I'm not gonna put everything in there.
She just needs to know how quick a family she wants to give us. I would just really like to know how y'all going to pay for this pizza.
How does it taste?
We have dollars, man. We have dollars. We will pay
How it
with our
is?
dollars. I've been saving in my piggy bank. I
You know what I'm
pay with piggy bank. I will pay with the bank of piggies. If y'all are going to pay with cash, then I need to know your address.
Or I was gonna say 1, 2, 3, super fun.
Oh, we live
No!
in super fun land.
Look, it can be-
I bet you
No,
live
Thea.
in super annoying land. Do you want this pizza with baby? I do want the pizza. I'm sorry, I want my pizza. I apologize. Please don't put any
Put it in your face.
into my pizza. You're being...
So they're eating their popcorns. Popcorns there.
So what kind of popcorn? Some duppy cup popcorn. We have not even
Popcorns. Amy took off her wig. She said she's making her hot. So guys, Avi is going to perform a song for us, and yeah, this is the entertainment part, the party part of our Halloween cafe diner party. Okay, are you ready? Yeah. See you Sunday. Camera, see you.
You let me fly.
Wait, just say it, say no. Sing out, Avi.
I so win so dumb. I'm a goosebump. Ooh that, I'ma get it stuck. I'm taunting you. I'm taunting you. I'm taunting you. Hey. Oh, so and so dumb. I'm a goosebump. Ooh that, I'ma get it stuck. I'm taunting you. I'm taunting you. I'm taunting you. Hey. Also and so dumb. I'm a goosebump. Ooh that, I'm this stuff. I'm on you. I'm telling you. And everybody stay on the head. On the stove.
Yay! Anyway, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on my next vlog. My name is Rosa Lawrence JM. I will see you guys next time. Bye! Bye bye everybody. Bye. And yes, happy Halloween to everyone. Happy Halloween! Have a spooktacular events. Bye bye.
Boom.